Hi everyone, I'm Lily and I'm so excited to talk to you today about something that is not only eco-friendly, but also stylish and practical. Have you ever considered using jute or Juco bags for your business? Well, let me tell you, they are a game changer. Jute and Juco are natural fibers that are biodegradable and renewable, which makes them a sustainable alternative to plastic and other synthetic materials. Not only that, but they are also incredibly durable and can last for years. This means that by switching to jute or Juco bags, you are not only helping the environment, but also making a smart investment for your business. Now let me tell you about the Jute and Juco bags from Mercantis India Exim International LLP. These bags are made from the highest quality jute and Juco fibers, and are designed with both functionality and style in mind. They come in a wide range of sizes and designs, so you can choose the perfect bag for your needs. But that's not all. When you buy from Mercantis India, you are not only getting a great product, but also supporting a business that cares about the environment and the people who make their products. Mercantis India is committed to fair trade practices and works closely with local artisans to ensure that their products are ethically produced. So let's recap. By switching to jute or Juco bags from Mercantis India, you are getting a durable and stylish product that is also eco-friendly and sustainable. You are also supporting a business that values fair trade and ethical practices. What more could you ask for? So don't wait any longer. Make the switch to jute or Juco bags from Mercantis India and join the growing movement towards a more sustainable future. Thank you for listening.